Apisa mag obila e boma ma Kisii ondhiyo kinde moko ang'wen mabandia mosebedo ka chiwo chenro ma ok opuodhi n'oganda mathoth e kauntino. E apedha makende manotelie kod jotelo mag riwruok okinde LSK, achijego noyudi kod stamp mabandia mar kambi mitiyo godo e wuondo joma manyo tije e kaunti ma Kisii. Kaluwore kod jakom mar bod mochung' ne ndiko ji e tich e kaunti ma Kisii, Harun Maosa, chenro mar manyo jotich e sekta mopogore opogore dhi nyime obok mabandia ka obok mabandia wachore ni tiyo godo e temo manyo thuolo mag tije.
This morning we were called from the Kisii County Public Service Board. There have been complaints since the board advertised various positions that are supposed to be filled in by the Kisii County government, and there are complaints that there are people who are hanging around the board offices who are masquerading as advocates, who are misleading members of the public, and that we are also having cyber offices that are within that region, within the board offices, who have stamps, advocate stamps. They are certifying documents, they are commissioning ESCC documents without being advocates.
Today we managed to arrest 3 of them, together with the stamps they were using. We did call the advocates that their stamps were being used, and they confirmed to us that they don't know such individuals, and they said suspects are already in custody. Yes.
Nimefika Public Service Board ku apply for my brother, na nimepata advocate akaniambia liba shilingi 300 tukusaidie ndio uingize makaratasi. So our governor alisema kuna mambo na pesa kupeleka makaratasi kwa board, na ndio nimeshangaa mbona tena tunapata watu wamesimama kwa gate wanatuambia tupeane pesa.
Because I was not aware what is going on. And then from there they asked me who signed for you. I directed them to the man who signed for me. They arrested the man. Is at the